So you guys are focused on what career you're going to pursue, what education, what majors you're going to be focused on, what are the things you are going to become experts in. All of that feeds into what kind of money you are going to be making, right? And so we're going to talk about some smart money moves that you guys can actually start doing right now. Like, it is so important that you learn and practice how to dream, how to think big, how to think beyond your current environment. So we're talking about goal setting. We're talking about achieving our goals